Hi guys, panibago na namang earning application ng ating i-review. Ito nga po si Ascent. So ngayon lang po ito nag-launch. May libre po na 60 pesos ito, and kung gusto niyo mag-invest guys, ito po yung mga products, no. Yung 200 pesos mo kikita ng 64 pesos. Yung 400 pesos mo kikita ng 132 pesos. Yung 800 pesos mo kikita ng 272 pesos. Yung 1,300 pesos mo kikita ng 455 pesos. And so on guys, no? So ang pinakamalaki nilang investment price is 30,000, which is 15,000 ang daily profit. In 2 days, bawi mo na agad yung in-invest. Then puro ROI na lang po kayo, no? So yun guys, if you want to invest dito, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. So, meron pong minimum withdraw. Ang minimum withdraw is 60 pesos, no? Sunod is 500 pesos. So, yun guys, no? If you want to invest dito, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again guys, invest what you can't afford to lose lang guys. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. So, yan na nga guys, may naka-withdraw na dito, no? Nakailang beses na sila. So lang guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!